All right, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to go over how to replace the bumper fasteners and the little pop-in piece on each side of this bumper. I'm only going to be replacing this side today as I already placed that one. Usually on these, there's going to be one little piece that holds it in place, and there's going to be one fastener that usually this is what breaks. You might think you need both. You can get these both on Amazon. This is a 10-pack for 15 bucks. This comes as an individual for 10 bucks a piece. Do not buy this. You probably only need this one. So here is where your problem is going to be. Most of the time these break and these will come up. So what we're going to do is we're going to start replacing this right now. The first thing you're going to want to do is pop your hood. The second thing you're going to want to do is, what I like to do is remove these right here, this first bolt on the fender. This is a T15, so it's a Torx. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that one. The next bolts you're going to want to remove is going to be this, which is a 7mm for metric, or if you want to use a standard, you can fit a 9/32 socket on it. It's going to be a little loose, but not enough to round the head. So you'll remove this one, and that one, and that one, and those are all 7mm, and then this Torx T15. Perfect.
2 hours later.
We found the Torx bit. All right, so we got this bolt out, we got this bolt out, we got this bolt out. So now we got this little clip doodad. We're just gonna pull up, pop it open. That's money right there. We got this up. I guess you don't actually have to take that bolt out. What you can do is take some pliers, reach in there and try to remove the excess of the clip that's still broken off in there. What I'm gonna do is just break the pieces around the clip and then just push it through the hole. This is your clip. We finally got that little piece out after lots of cussing. Now we're just going to take this piece, we're going to push it in the hole, snap it in. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to come over here, take it, pop it in the hole like so, and you should be able to take your bumper, make sure it comes back over the clips, and you're going to pick it up and walk it onto the clip, and with a little force, should snap right into place. And that's how you install a new bumper clip and retainer. Like I said, you can get the other ones. The other one, they never break, so you probably wouldn't order them, but that's how you install the new retainer fastener piece. And that's it.